Hi, stamping friends. It's Marilyn here with Stamping Creations with Marilyn, coming to you from Spruce Grove, Alberta, Canada. Just wanted to hop on here this morning and share a few things that are happening in the Stampin' Up! World in this part of the country. Busy week happening. Today is the final day for the holiday catalog. We have some retiring products out of here. We have some that are being carried forward to the next annual catalog, some being carried forward to the next holiday catalog. And the retiring ones for sure are on sale, and any ones that are carried forward, the bundle part is not being carried forward. So if you're interested in that, you may want to look at that right away. If you are shopping today and do not have a demonstrator already, I'd love to be that one for you. This is my current host code. If your order's under $200, I'd appreciate you using that. I have Stamping Staycation. I am together with two other Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. This is our third Stamping Staycation we're putting together on January 30th, and we have opened registrations for that today. So check this group, my Facebook business page, my website, and my newsletter. If you subscribe to my newsletter, you would have got links to that as well. So, and if you're interested, I have contact information that you can reach me, and I'll certainly give you more information. Starting tomorrow, the Sale-A-Bration and the mini catalog do take effect tomorrow. Again, lots of great things happening there. The mini cut and emboss, it's not in here, but it does also become available tomorrow to everyone. So, like I say, a busy week happening. And if you, again, don't have a demonstrator, I would love to be that for you, and I can send you off copies of these catalogs in the mail. Not sure how long that'll take to get there, but I can send them, and you can have one in your hands to look at, much better than looking online. Although tomorrow I will be posting a link with online access to these as well. So for today, I wanted to hop on here. I have a little friend here today. You see this? Isn't he a cute little moose? A friend of mine gave me that. You can see his hands are together. It came around a bouquet of chocolate covered strawberries. It was awesome. So he's joining me today, just watching to make sure I do everything I should be. I wanted to, main reason I came on to give you all those updates, but also let you know about the paper share I'm doing for the paper out of that mini catalog. Not any of the specialty paper, but there are 7 different packages, and I have them ready and cut to show you what you would be getting if you take part in this. And registration for this ends tonight at midnight. So with it, you will get 54 pieces of designer paper and coordinating cardstock for $40. So I do need you to register for that. There are 6 packages that you will be getting 4x6 pieces of designer paper, one of each that's in the package. The other one is a 6x6 package, and you will get 12 pieces of that 6x6. So let me just quickly show you those. The first one I have, try not to dump everything over here, is the Dandy Garden, and this special is by me. It's not by Stampin' Up, so you do have to order through me. So what I do when I get my designer papers is I cut them and display them on pages like this, showing both sides of the paper, because all designer paper by Stampin' Up is doubled. Good front and back, except the specialty. Sometimes it doesn't have anything on the back. And also I have listed the coordinating colors that come with the package. So in this particular package, this is one side of the 6x6 and the other side. So now you can see what I mean by double-sided. And with that package, you will get one of each of these colors: Calypso Coral, Bumblebee, Mossy Meadow, Misty Moonlight, Whisper White, and Blackberry Bliss. And this is the package that you actually get 12 sheets, so there are 12 different designs, and therefore you get another set of the cardstock. So that would be your package for Dandy Garden. The next one I have is Hydrangea Hill with beautiful blues and mauves in it. And I'll just show you the designer paper. This page comes with design on this side and design on that side, so a great scrapbooking page if you're looking for something there. And then the back is a little bit more subtle, but beautiful paper. And the colors there are Rococo Rose, Highland Heather, Seaside Spray, Misty Moonlight, Old Olive, and Whisper White. So you can see how when you get that package, you will have a complete set to make 6 cards. And a little bit of paper left over because your 4x6 is a little bit bigger than your 5.5 paper cardstock. Next I have Sand and Sea. So again, an ocean theme on that one with some beautiful colors. The one side of the designer paper and the other, more of a mottled color there. And your papers there are Flirty Flamingo, Melon Mambo, So Saffron, Sahara Sand, Seaside Spray, and I've added a Whisper White to make the 6. But great combination again. Follow that up with Snail Mail, kind of a cute, whimsical set. Again, I do my 2x2 inch square designer paper so you can see either side, and that way if I'm looking for something and I know that I need red mushrooms, I can look there and find them. So this paper, that's the one side. The other side has more of the whimsical. I've seen some designs already, hey Glenda, that have fussy cut this out just as your focal point on your cards. So and the papers that go with that particular one are the Real Red, Blushing Bride, Daffodil Delight, Bermuda Bay, Basic Gray, and Whisper White. So when you lay them together, you can see just how great they coordinate. One of the best things about Stampin' Up papers. True Love is in the section of the new catalog for more of the Valentine's and hearts, true love, anniversary, those kind of things. And this one is totally black and white, but look at the designs, and so many of them lend themselves very well to being able to color, whether you use the new blending brushes or your daubers or even sponges. So the paper there, and it's a little hard to look at the busyness of it there, but like this one colors beautifully. And then on the back side of those, you have more of a geometric designs. And of course, as you might have guessed, you get 6 sheets of black and white paper, 3 of each. Then we come to Ice Cream Corner. And as it says, ice cream, different summery treats. The paper there has 3 different ones with cones, regular cones, waffle cones, and I would call these more fudgesicles. Then we have some splotches of the different spring colors, and the back side, this one even looks like a waffle cone, and sprinkles, which happens to be my granddaughter's favorite on donuts and ice cream. And the colors with that are terracotta tile. Oh, I don't have Old Olive here, a different one. Bermuda Bay, Blackberry Bliss, Cinnamon Cider, and one of the, this is the Bumblebee. So they go together well with that one. Then I have a masculine, more masculine one. This one is well suited. And as you can see from looking at the designs, more like a suit pattern shirt. But there is a bit of a color, the Cajun craze in the background of that one. And we've, as demonstrators, we've had this for a while, and we've talked about our hubbies have shirts like this and this already in their closets. So we know that they've hit it on the nail with masculine things. So those are your designer papers there. And the flip side. This one really looks like a tweed suit. And there are, of course, stamp sets and dies to go with these. And I've seen this one cut actually as suspenders, just with that color. So very pretty again. Pretty, I guess pretty is okay for the men. So this is Poppy Parade, Cajun Craze, Basic Gray, no, that one is Smoky Slate, Night of Navy, Basic Gray, and Pacific Point. So those are the colors coordinating with that one. And last but not least is our Fine Art Floral. This particular suite in the catalog has an overlay of gold that fits over, I'm going to say this one. And also this suite has gold leaf embellishment that you can get and use with these. So they're painted images. What Stampin' Up has been doing with them is actually doing paintings, taking pictures, and using them for their designer papers. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an idea, and they're beautiful papers. And then the coordinating cardstocks with that, we have Poppy Parade. Don't see the name of that one. I may have to relook at some of these. Pool Party, Night of Navy, and Old Olive. But that isn't what I have on my list. So I will double check those before I divvy them up for the paper share. So hopefully that has given you all an idea of what there is in the paper share. Like I say again, tonight is the last to order it, and then I will get the order off. I will get it cut and ready for you, and I will let you know when it's ready for pickup or for mailing. So thanks for joining me, and we'll hopefully see you tomorrow in my regular Tuesday at 1:30. Bye for now.